Today, we will be observing the underappreciated filmmaker in their preferred habitat, a film festival. Come along. Today's environment is the prestigious Black Cat Picture Show, Augusta's only international adjudicated film festival. Quiet now. We don't want to startle our subject. Watch how animated they get when they receive that swag bag. Fascinating.
They turned the mirror to me, and I saw.
As we follow our filmmaker friend into the darkened theater, one can't but help feel a sense of anticipation as the Independence Film Factorum settles in to watch their art play out in front of an enthusiastic and supportive audience.
Forever
Time for a drink. As our intrepid filmmaker makes his way from the theater to the watering hole, a variety of bespoke cocktails and mocktails await our little friend. Let's see how he gets on. Here, two filmmakers meet each other at the bar. They size each other up. Competition is fierce at this event. Each filmmaker whose work is shown is carefully selected from hundreds of films by an independent panel of judges. With trophies and laurels on the line, a confrontation seems imminent. Incredible! This really is an event that fosters a creative community, not just competition. As our filmmakers venture back into the theater, we know we'll be able to catch sight of them several more times at this multi-day event here at Le Chat Noir in downtown Augusta, Georgia. The truly remarkable thing about seeing this group of independent filmmakers in their element is they truly garner inspiration, share knowledge, and foster a sense of artistic community among other filmmakers and creatives from all over the world. Thank you for joining us.